In this video, we'll create drop-down menus using the Value Map widget. The Value Map widget is used to select a value from a drop-down menu. Values are defined in the widget. They cannot be changed or added from the mobile app, and only one value can be selected. If you want to use multiple selections in a field or need to add new values during the survey, check out the Value Relation widget in another video. Let's first go to the layer properties of our survey layer and create a field for which we want to use the Value Map widget. I give the name Value Map and I use data type text. You can also use numeric types if you want to store numbers using drop-down menus, but in this case we'll use text. Let's go to the Attributes Form tab and configure the Value Map widget for our Value Map field. Change the widget type from TextEdit to Value Map. Type in the value column what will be stored in the field. These can be coded values or shortened names. Here we use 1, 2, 3. Description is what will be displayed in the form and in the attributes table. Here value 1, value 2, value 3. I can add an extra null value. Now let's check the result in the Mergin Maps app on the mobile device. Here I see the Value Map field and the drop-down menu, and I can choose value 1, value 2 or value 3, which was the description column. It will store the values that we had in the value column.